Imagine a world where your therapist is always on call. A world where an AI knows your mind better than you do, detecting depression before it even starts. The tech giants promise this future is coming, but what if they're wrong? What if the very things that make AI so powerful are also the reasons it can't and may never truly heal a human mind? Stick around to uncover the 3 shocking reasons AI can't fix mental health yet. On paper, the promise is audacious. AI will end mental illness. Researchers are already using AI to analyze our digital footprints, our speech patterns, our social media posts, to detect early signs of a mental health crisis with stunning accuracy. They're even analyzing brain scans to predict the best course of treatment for depression, creating a level of personalized care a human doctor could never achieve alone. AI has the power to make mental health care more accessible and more effective than ever before. But that's the theory. The first flaw is the data paradox. The more personal our data, the more accurate the AI. But the more personal our data, the more vulnerable we become. The most effective AI is built on conversations about our deepest fears and insecurities. Without robust legal frameworks and absolute privacy, every thought you share could be a liability. The AI needs our trust to work, but the system isn't yet designed to earn it. We are being asked to give away the very thing we are trying to heal. The second flaw is algorithmic bias. AI is trained on data from the past, and if that data is biased, the AI will be too. Research shows that AI models can be less accurate in diagnosing and treating individuals from diverse cultural or socioeconomic backgrounds. The AI sees a pattern it recognizes, but if you don't fit that pattern, you become invisible. Instead of helping everyone, we risk building a system that only works for a privileged few, and in doing so, we could make health disparities even worse. Think about it. Every individual is unique. Their thought patterns, their environment, their genetics, their choices, it's all different. How can AI create a completely unique algorithm for each person? And what if someone else uses your account? The system has no way to ensure it's talking to the right person. The final and most critical flaw is the empathy gap. No matter how sophisticated the code, a machine cannot feel. It can process information, but it cannot understand the profound, nuanced pain of a human soul. It can write back, "I'm concerned about your safety," but can it replace the warm, genuine empathy of a real person? Peer-reviewed studies consistently show that the therapeutic alliance, the human connection between a patient and a therapist, is a powerful driver of recovery. AI can be a tool for early detection and data analysis, but it cannot replace the essential, irreplaceable role of a compassionate human being. The bottom line. So, will AI end mental illness? The answer is, not yet. When I learned about a case where an AI gave a patient a suicide plan, I tested it myself. I asked ChatGPT and other AI models for the same thing, and they all responded with empathetic statements and crisis hotline numbers. These large AI models are evolving, and it's a good step. The large models are prioritizing safety. However, there are still many smaller AI apps providing therapy, and we don't know enough about their safety protocols. The AI revolution is on its way, but it will only truly serve humanity if we stop focusing on the promise and start fixing the flaws. We need to demand privacy, hold companies accountable for bias, and always remember that a perfect algorithm is no substitute for a human heart. If you find this content helpful, click like, share this video with your loved ones who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more insightful contents on mental health.